Good day, brothers and sisters. My name is Justin, and I am from the Holy Trinity community of Davao City. A blessed Holy Wednesday, and welcome to Pathways of Hope. In today's readings, there is one clear message: God remains faithful and loving even when we are not. In the first reading, we see the suffering servant who is willing to endure suffering but does not turn back because of his complete trust in God. Ito ay larawan ni Jesus who, even knowing the suffering that would come, still chose to obey for our salvation. Like serving in the community, in Christ Youth in Action, or in Ang Lingkod ng Panginoon is not always easy. May pagod, may doubts, but like the suffering servant, I chose to continue because I know may layunin si Lord. In the psalm, we hear the cry of a wounded heart, Lord, in your great love, answer me. Parang tayo rin minsan, hurting, confused, but we are reminded that hindi tayo pinapabayaan ni Lord. And in the gospel, we see Judas who chose to betray Jesus. But even knowing what Judas would do, Jesus still chose to love him. He still shared the table with him. Dito natin makikita ang lalim ng love ni Lord. He does not love us because we are perfect. He loves us even when we fail. So the question for us is, are we choosing to be faithful like Jesus or slowly drifting away like Judas? The good news is, we still have a chance today to choose and accept Jesus again in our lives. Kaya today, choose to return to God in simple ways. Magdasal, ask for forgiveness, or show love to someone. Choose love today because God has already chosen you.